Good morning, my little superstars. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your beautiful journey of learning. We already have done number 1 till number 4. Wondrous, you all did it very well. Now let's move towards number 5. Good job. Now, my little gems, take out page number 12 on your counting book. Hey, my little tiny shiny stars. Over here we have to trace and write number 5. Now hold up your pencils very tightly in your hands and start writing from here. First you have to draw a sleeping line starting from here and dragging towards over here. It's a sleeping line. Now you have to draw a standing line. What you have to do? You have to draw a standing line. And then you have to draw a right curve. So it makes number 5. Which number is this? This is number 5. Good job. I know you all will do it very well. Keep on doing independently. Hey, my little learners. In your countdown book, you have to circle the group of objects that are 5 in number. But before doing this, have a glimpse of another activity. So, my little ones, can you see two groups of counters? Yellow counters and the red counters. Now, can you count along with me? Yes, I know you can do it and you know it very well. Now, let's count together. How many yellow counters are here? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, you know it. It's 4. Here are 4 yellow counters. Now let's count. Red counters, how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's 5. Good job. So we have to circle the objects which are 5 in number. Let's do in our countdown book. Well, I know you got it very well. And over here, you have to circle the juice boxes, which are 5 in number. Yes, let's count together. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 juice boxes. And we have to circle the 5. Let's make a circle. Good job. Well done, my little one. My smart learners, I know you all are doing it very well. Well done. You are writing number 5. But still, if you feel difficulty, you can grab a piece of paper. You have to write number 5 inside the box. Good job. You can do it. Now, after writing number 5, you came to know that we have to circle the number of objects which are 5 in number. And after that, we have another activity in countdown book in which we have to write the missing numbers, the numbers which we cannot see in the sequence from 1 to 5. So, Mr. Frog is very good in counting and he knows the number from 1 to 5. Now he will tell you that what will come in the blanks in which there are question marks. Here are some question marks. Let's see what Mr. Frog will do. He is standing on number 1. Now he has to reach number 5. Now he will recall the counting from number 1 to 5. Now let's count together. 1. Yes, 2. 3. What comes after 3? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4. What comes after 4? Yes, 5. Splendid. You all know it very well. Well, I know you all have learned it very well, and you can easily attempt this activity in your content book, as you can see. Thank you so much, Fi Manila. Have a great weekend.